Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect Amazon seller payments to Lendio. Connecting Amazon seller payments to Lendio helps you track marketplace sales, fees, and payouts automatically. Of course, this is going to give you clear insights into your Amazon revenue. The first step is to log into Lendio and then go to integrations, and under that you're going to get to connected accounts. There you're going to select add accounts and then choose Amazon seller. Next is to sign into your Amazon seller central accounts and then authorize Lendio to access payments, orders, and fee data. Select the correct marketplace if managing multiple accounts, and also allow historical and current transactions to synchronize. Now you can go ahead and categorize income, refunds, and Amazon fees. Be sure to enable auto rules if that's available. Lastly, verify ongoing synchronizations of new payments and fees. With Amazon Seller connected, Lendio provides a consolidated view of your marketplace performance, simplifying reporting and of course cash flow management. But that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.